Hello love and welcome to my channel. My name is RAFAEL. Just kidding. I'm Ash. Nice to meet you. If you're new here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. If you're not new here, then thanks for coming back for another video. Yes, honey. Oh, that was a heart. I was feeling like some Ninja Turtles. Know what I'm saying? RAFAEL is my absolute favorite. He is my favorite, okay? He has an attitude, he's mean, he's like angry. I guess everything that I love. It sounds ridiculous when you say it out loud, but I love his attitude. I love how mean he is, and yes, honey, he's red. So, I'm his girlfriend today. My name is RAFAEL. I just felt like I have to be sassy. I wanted to paint like everything else, but I started to run out of this green paint. Like I used the shit out of this green paint, okay? So we just gonna pretend that this is right here. Okay, we're gonna pretend that like I'm not green and then chocolate, okay? All right, you guys, so this was super simple. I hope it doesn't look like complex, because it really wasn't. I wanted to do something like fun, something cute, something, you know, different, whatever. Yeah, so here it is. Me and my best friends were actually trying to figure out what to be for Halloween. So I was like, hey, I can show you what we would look like if we were Ninja Turtles. So there's RAFAEL. Yes, honey. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. So yes, anyways, if you ever thought about being a Ninja Turtle, here you go. So if you do want to see how I got this look, then please go ahead and keep watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe for my videos. I can't wait for the next few looks that I'm gonna post, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. That's all I can say is stay tuned. So yes, don't forget to give this video a like. So yes, honey, let's get to it. Keep watching.
When the ocean's warm,
did like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for, so I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.